Hi guys, today we will talk about snow falling in UK. As you can see in these pictures, when you see at night outside your house, you can't believe that so much snow in there. You can see how much snow falling there. Too much snow on trees. This is morning time. Everywhere snow falling. It surprised you the amount of snow everywhere, on the roads, on the cars, on the houses, everywhere. After you can use to, it's too much snow falling. Yeah, in the room there are heating, so that's why you can't feel how much snowing outside. But as you can see,